Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are today, Patch Tuesday of August 2021. So today, August 10th, is the second Tuesday of the month. Security updates are upon us, and we'll have a bigger look at what exactly all is in the package, how many of the updates for security in here, how big it is, and of course what it fixes. One of the things I already know is that it fixes the print nightmare security flaw by actually elevating the privilege to admin, which means that it mitigates the print nightmare. But there probably are other things we're going to be looking at. So as 1 p.m. Eastern, which is always a time, we have this update that's available. You go to Update and Security in Windows 10, version 2004, version 10 20H2, or version 10 Windows 10 21H1. You will get the update. Windows 8.1 also gets the security updates. If we go to View Update History here on 21H1, it's the cumulative update for Windows 10 KB5005033 that was actually installed today. There was also, of course, an update for the malware removal tool. That is the security that scans your system when you actually start Windows. It installed very quickly in my machine. I clicked the download button or the check for updates at like 1:01 p.m. And at 1:05, 1:06 p.m., it was all installed and ready to go already. So, of course, this machine is a pretty fast, pretty quick machine. So anywhere from a few minutes to, for some of you with very recent hardware, to things that could be, several, 20, 30, 40 minutes, depending on how old your hardware is. Of course, these are mandatory because they are security updates. It's very important to apply them. So do go to your Windows updates and check for the updates as they are now released. And they, of course, are part of why your computer stays safe and why you stay safe. It's actually the most important thing to do to keep your software up to date, to make sure that nothing bad happens. And we'll have a video when all the information about what's in the package is released. And we'll check out what are the different security problems in here, how big this is. It installs so fast that I'm not sure there was that many updates this month, but we're going to check it out. And if we go to WinVer here in my machine, if you're on Windows 10, that should actually update your system to 19041, 19042, or 19043. But the ending is 1165, so .1165. That means you're up to date and ready to go. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.